Shiseido's Vital Perfection Uplifting and Firming Advanced Cream visibly lifts and firms for skin with a more contoured and sculpted look. Use the spatula to scoop 2 pearl-sized amounts, then dot cream on the 5 points of your face: forehead, nose, chin, and both cheeks. Start from center of face and gently smooth the cream outward and then along your jawline. Place both thumbs under your jawline and apply upward pressure, starting below the chin and ending below the ears. Repeat this motion 6 times. Holding 4 fingers together, press the pointer fingers parallel to your nasolabial folds or laugh lines. Then tilt your fingers so they lie flat onto skin and sweep them upward towards the temples, pulling the nasolabial folds taut. Lift and repeat 6 times. Apply each morning before sunscreen and at night after cleansing, softening, and serums.